If your Jeep Wrangler's Uconnect system starts freezing, randomly rebooting, or lagging, it can quickly affect navigation, music, and vehicle settings. Since Uconnect controls most of your touchscreen features, even a small software glitch can feel like a major problem. The good news is, most issues can be fixed with a simple reset before heading to the dealership. Important steps. 1. Start with a soft reboot by pressing and holding the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until it shuts down, then turn it back on. 2. If the issue continues, go to Settings, select System Reset, then choose Factory Reset, and enter the default PIN if required. 3. For a completely frozen screen, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect and restart the system. 4. Check for available software updates through the Jeep app or over-the-air updates on newer models. 5. Make sure the vehicle isn't overheating, as high cabin temperatures can cause screen glitches. 6. If problems persist, schedule professional diagnostics, especially for models known to have touchscreen hardware concerns.